Academic research is a completely different ballgame. It's not just about writing, but structure, clarity, and reliable references that can actually stand up in class or in a peer review. That's where Logically.app and Grammarly came in. These two AI tools have completely transformed the way I approach researching and writing. In this video, I'm gonna break down how they take me through the research process. So ultimately, in the end of this video, you'll find out which tool is for you. So let's get into the video. So what exactly is Logically? As you can see here, Logically is an AI-powered workspace designed to help you research, cite, and write faster with AI. It pulls everything into one clean space for finding credible sources, organizing references, annotating PDFs, and even drafting papers. So here are Logically's main features. So number one, we have the AI document writer. Logically can keep your ideas flowing and your references in check. It can build your outline from scratch. It helps you polish every paragraph with its AI commands and even suggests what to write next using real, relevant citations from your library or external research databases. Next is the AI Research Assistant. Whether it's the PDFs in your library, over 200 million articles via Semantic Scholar, or fresh research from the web, Logically finds what you need, all with accurate citation. Next is its Reference Manager, so you can upload PDF, docs, EPUB, URLs, TXT files, and so much more, and organize them with folders and color-coded tags. And lastly is its File Annotator. You can highlight important text, add comments, drop sticky notes, and highlight areas all without leaving your document. So if you're stuck on a dense paragraph or confusing graph, you can ask AI to clarify, summarize, and explain it so you can keep moving forward. Now, what is Grammarly? Grammarly, I remember, has been around ever since I was like in 3rd grade, and now I'm in college. And I remember when Grammarly didn't have any AI features, it was just mostly for editing essays in like 5th grade. So that's a little throwback, and it's crazy how I'm still talking about them. But now they're an AI-powered writing assistant that helps improve writing by checking for grammar, spelling, punctuation, clarity, tone, and style errors. So what basically started as a basic grammar checker has grown into a full-on writing partner powered by machine learning and natural language processing. For me, Grammarly is my pocket editor, tone coach, and plagiarism cop all rolled into one, as it offers rewrites, checks originality, and keeps my tone steady. Grammarly has some core key features that makes it a valuable writing assistant. Number one is its grammar and spelling checker. So Grammarly's core job is catching grammatical errors, all those misplaced commas, clunky verb tenses, and typos. It helps fix them. Number two is its tone and clarity assistant. So sometimes things that sound funny in your head lands differently on page, so it helps spot complicated sentences. It has its plagiarism checker, or it scans billions of web pages and academic sources, flags any plagiarism so you can rephrase or cite properly before submitting. Has its AI writing assistant, so it suggests sharper word choices, offers full sentence rewrites, and helps with citations through its citation finder. And then finally, it has cross-platform availability, so it follows you wherever you write, from browser extensions to Microsoft Word, Google Docs, email, mobile apps. Its feedback appears in real time, so your writing stays consistent across every platform. So now that we have a little overview of the two, let's get into a detailed side-by-side comparison of the tools. Today, I'm going to be testing the topic mental health challenges for medical students. Let's first start off with Grammarly's response in discovering research papers for my medical student mental health paper. So here's the thing, Grammarly is brilliant at cleaning up sentences, but when it actually comes to finding research, it shows up empty-handed. There are no built-in discovery tools, so my workflow ended up looking like Google Scholar in one tab, Grammarly in the other one, and a growing pile of abstracts copy-pasted into a doc for polishing later. So it works, but it feels like balancing too many things at once. However, with opening the Logically AI Research Assistant, I switched to Semantic Scholar mode and typed in my main research question: what are the key mental health challenges faced by medical students? Within minutes, it mapped out the major stressors, coping mechanisms, and systemic pressures, complete with inline citations I could actually follow. I could actually add the sources to my reference library in just a couple of clicks. Next, let's go on to managing references comparison. Logically's Reference Manager took me a few steps forward. The references I added from my Semantic Scholar search were actually already sitting neatly in my library with the PDFs attached, and from there I set up a main folder called Med Student Mental Health and built subfolders like stress factors and coping strategies to keep everything super tidy. Adding color-coded tags made it also ridiculously easy to spot what mattered most in a short glance. For Grammarly actually did not give me a place to store or tag sources, so I kept my references in Logically and wrote in Google Docs with Grammarly turned on. So it polished my summaries and cleaned up wording, but every citation still came from Logically. Next, let's do an AI writing tools comparison. So when it came to refine my final draft, I honestly thought my writing was already perfect, but Grammarly had found errors I had missed, like missing commas, awkward phrasing, and sentences that didn't sound right. I love how it's just in red because I'm like, okay, that's a spot I need to fix. And it made the tone a lot more professional, giving my work a smoother reading flow. So for Logically, I started with its AI document writer. I clicked generate an outline with AI, and within seconds, it built me an outline that actually gave me somewhere to start. Filling it in was the real test, but that's where Logically's AI auto-suggest had my back. Every time I paused, it suggested the next line in using my existing text as context, attaching a real and relevant citation from my library or an external academic source. Each source I used also dropped straight into an automatic bibliography, so no formatting was required, it just did it for me. And so for once, my writing felt like writing and not having to just format everything. And next, let's go into an annotating files comparison. Research means diving into lots of dense PDFs, so let's see what we can do. So for Grammarly's approach, Grammarly actually does not come with annotation tools, so I had to improvise. Without an in-app highlighter or sticky notes, it worked best as a final step to improve notes I had already prepared. On the other hand, Logically makes annotation a game changer. Using Logically's file annotator, I highlighted statistic, added comments like perfect for discussion. It was super interactive and everything linked to the source, so I never lost track of its origin. I highlighted an intimidating graph while I also dropped a note and asked the AI to explain the graph in plain terms. Okay, now that we went through all the features, let's get into cost. So Grammarly has its free version, so you can write without mistakes, see your writing tone, and generate text with 100 AI prompts. Next is its pro version, which you can start a 7-day free trial. You can rewrite full sentences with a click, adjust your writing tone of ease, write fluently in English, unlimited personalized suggestions, detect plagiarism, AI generated text, and generate text with 2,000 AI prompts, so a lot more in the first one. For Logically, there are 2 plans. Number 1, it's free plan. Logically is completely free to use. No credit card is required to sign up. You get access to all features, and you actually get 5 queries a day, so you can like try out the features, see if you really like it or not. However, you can upgrade to the Logically Unlimited plan, which is $12 a month billed yearly, and the monthly option is $30 a month, but this gives you unlimited everything, unlimited access to all its features, unlimited storage, unlimited AI usage, and so many more premium features. And you can also receive a 10% discount or 50% if you sign up with a student email for a student discount on your first year of Logically Unlimited, because as a student, 50% off of $12, that's $6 a month for unlimited storage, usage, everything. So now, which tool should you use? If you are someone who struggles with keeping track of sources and needs on-point citations, Logically will support you through your entire workflow, from the initial ideas in the research process all the way to the final draft. If you want to write directly in Google Docs, Word, or other app, Grammarly is the tool you should turn to because of its seamless integration. It not only fixes the small grammatical mistakes you tend to overlook, but also refines sentences to make them more clear and concise, and it works best as a final stage editor to your research paper. In the end, using Grammarly and Logically can both help your academic workflow. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe for more AI tool comparison videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.